Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The Mayavadi philosopher, they think that the absolute truth is impersonal. Maya Shakta Manaprartha Jogam Junyan Madasraya Asangsayang Samagrang Mam Jatha Gyasasi Tachino. Arjuna is being advised by Krishna what is God. The conception of God, however we may speculate, it cannot be perfect because God is unlimited, all-pervading. We are limited. So, actually, unless God Himself reveals Himself to the devotee, it is not possible to understand what is God. Therefore, God Himself, Krishna, is speaking about Himself. The process is Maya Sakta Mana. One has to increase attachment for Krishna. We have got now attachment for material things. We have to divert that. Our position is that we must have attachment for something. That is fact. So now, on the bodily concept of life, we have got attachment to this body, and anything pertaining to this body, we have got attached. Just like I have got attachment for my wife. Why? There are millions and thousands of women, beautiful women. I have no attachment for them, but my attachment for my wife, even though she may not be very beautiful, is a fact. Why? Because due to her relation with my body. And similarly, I have got attachment for my country, I have got attachment for my home, so many things, because I am thinking I am this body, and anything in connection with this body, I am thinking mine. So at the present, my conception of I and mine is wrong. Therefore, if we divert that attachment to Krishna, then we can understand Krishna or God perfectly well. Krishna is just like sun. When there is sunshine, you can see the sun and yourself also. Without sunshine, in the darkness of night, neither you can see the sun nor yourself. Therefore, the process is Maya Shaktamana, developing Krishna consciousness. Maya Shaktamana Partham Jugam Junyan Madasaya. This is the yoga. Yoga means connecting. Yogang Junyan, that yoga should be practiced in connection with Krishna. Therefore he said, Mat Asra. Mat means me or mine. And Asra means taking shelter. So either you take shelter of Krishna or Krishna's representative. Of course, it is not possible for us to take shelter of Krishna because Krishna is not present at the present moment, but his representative is there. So one has to take shelter of his representative and practice bhakti yoga, concentrating his mind on Krishna. This is called Krishna consciousness. One has to take shelter of a person whose life is devoted to Krishna, and under his direction we have to practice how to develop Krishna consciousness, and then Krishna will be revealed. The revelation, proportionate revelation is proportionate advancement in seeing Krishna directly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,